Hello! So, welcome and welcome back sa mga nanonood ng channel ko. Hi, it's Mina, your host. Hello! Ayan, so, wala. Gusto ko na ipakita yung mic ko. Ang cute. So, balik na tayo sa regular mic. So, I hope naririnig niyo ako at walang ingay in the background ng mga PC at mga electric fans. So, yes, happy December. December ko. So, yes, hi, happy December. Merry Christmas. Ayan siya mga ante. Uncle, Merry Christmas na. So, this is the time of giving. And, ayun, syempre, if ever may ma-receive naman kayo, be grateful kahit magkano pa. And just be grateful kasi, ano, giving talaga ngayong December. So, ayan. So, before tayo mag-start ng reading, syempre, hindi mawawala yung ating 5 keneso. But before doing that, I will be using sa ating tarot reading ngayon ang Believe in Your Own Magic na Oracle. And of course, yung Tarot of the Divine. Ngayon, may isa pa akong gagamitin, which is yung mga naka-follow sa akin sa ibang social media account ko. Alam na nila kung ano yung gagamitin kong isa. So yes, before anything else, let us do the charot. Gamitin ko lang tong mic ko. Gamitin ko lang to kahit regular, walang reverb. So, pwede lang hit ng mic. Ang ating 5 simple ways to manifest joy and kindness this December. Ayan. So, number 1. Set your December goals. Ayan, mga mamshi, mga auntie, mga uncle. So, ano ba daw yung set your December goals? Ito yung mga parang isusulat mo kung ano yung mga goals mo, ano yung mga gusto mong ma-achieve this month, either or whether it's personal growth or spending more time with your loved ones, ayan, staying consistent with your routines na parang ako, kailangan ko yon. And of course, kailangan clear yung goal mo na super clear para makapag-focus ka dyan sa goal na yan. And of course, the good thing about this as well is visualizing. So, i-visualize mo na you're already achieving these goals right now. Parang manifestation lang yan. So, you have to think that it's already happening and you're already enjoying the fruits of your labor. Ayan. Siya. Number 2, practice daily gratitude. Ano yan? Ito yung mag start ka ng day mo na pwede mong ilista yung 3 things that you are grateful for. Tulad ka ng huling video natin, be grateful na bumangon ka, that's already number 1. Nagumising ka, that's already number 1. Hindi ko alam kung naririnig niyo. Motor, okay. Motor sa paligid. Ngayon kasi, yung gratitude, it is shifting to your energy to a positive state. So, kung babangon ka at gagawa ka or you're going to start your day being grateful, magiging okay yung buong araw mo. Diba? Pwede kang uminom ng to help you have this positive morning with a gratitude and uminom ka ng kape. Ayan, pagising mo cuddle-cuddle with someone. As much as possible, iwasan mo muna yung mag-cellphone pagising mo. Kasi, di ba, sa pag nag-Facebook ka, minsan depende sa ano natin yan eh. Depende kung ano yung nasa feed natin. Minsan baka napaka-negative, which is no, 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 no. Okay? And yeah, journal. Always have at least a journal beside you, beside your bed, para at least ready ka na pagising mo, ayan, or pagtulog mo before you sleep, grateful ka pa din. I am grateful for what happened today. Mga ganyan. Okay. So, number 3, create, um, number 3, create cozy moments for yourself. Sa sarili mo. Ayan. So, December kasi can be really busy. Alam niyo yan. And, minsan baka makalimutan na natin ng yung self-care, yung self-love, ganyan. So, what would be the best thing or the simplest way? Kasi nga simple, di ba? Simplest way for you to do a self-love. So, you have to cozy moments ba? So, you can light a candle, You can watch your favorite movie. You can drink whatever you want. Ayan. Except, syempre, as much as possible, wag beer, wag alak. But if wine, if is comforting you, why not? Ba? The things that are comforting you. Um, ano pa ba yung mga, anything that you think that can help you relax. Ayan, that is create a cozy moment for yourself. So for yourself, ha, not with anyone else. Number 4, spread kindness everywhere. Ito yung feeling ko not simple kasi mahirap. Mahirap. Kasi syempre may mga maldita maldito, but just spread kindness, wag masyadong mainit ang ulo. Let's try and embrace and the spirit of giving by doing one kind act every day. One lang naman, hindi naman sinabing whole day. So, one kind act every day. Ayan. Pwedeng, sabi dito, small gesture like holding the door for someone. O, di ba? Kind na yun. Leaving a kind note. Sending a message to someone that you care about. Pwede ding message na, kamustahin mo, yung mga dapat mo kamustahin. Na nakalimutan mong replyan 5 months ago. Or, if you have anak, syempre, try kissing them every day, hugging them every day. It's already kindness. Kasi yung act of kindness, mga mamshi, mga ante, mga uncle, it actually creating a ripple effect na pag ginawa mo yon, the people that you are showing your kindness, gagawin din nila yun sa iba. So, spread kindness everywhere. Number 5, the last but not the least, plan for an amazing 2025. Ayan. Oh, eh. And so, reflect on your wins. So, reflect mo lahat yung mga wins mo this year, mga lessons mo this year. Isulat mo yung mga bagay-bagay na will help you to move forward. Ayan. And, move forward at yung mga iiwan mo ng 2024. Kasi this will allow you to have space, clear mind, clear goal, and an open heart for an amazing 2025. And of course, if ever marami time kayo na maging eme, you have to create a vision board or try nyo lang mag-write ng mga affirmations nyo na gusto nyong ma-manifest for 2025. Ayan. So that ends our 5 simple ways to manifest joy and kindness this December. Sana hindi nagre-reverb tong mic na to para hindi ko na ulitin. Higit ng heart. Shake ko lang. And yes, of course, before tayo mag-start ng ating tarot reading, please consider subscribing, hit the notification bell, mag-comment kayo kung nagustuhan niyo yung 5 simple ways natin. And, syempre, sa ating tarot reading, remember na ang lahat ay may free will. So, mga auntie, mga uncle, nasa inyo yan. If you wanna believe or not, nasa inyo yan. We have the free will. Kung hindi maganda yung nangyari, if hindi maganda yung reading for your month, for your sign, I'm so sorry. Yun lang naman yung sinabi ng card, not my fault. I am just reading and explaining. Wag po kayong magalit sa akin. Ayan. So, bahala kayo kung mag-resonate o hindi. Bahala na kayo dyan. So, yes. Ayan. Let's go na sa ating reading. Hello sa mga may Virgo, Sun, Moon, and Rising. So, this reading is for you. Ayan. So, shuffle lang natin ang card. Ayan. Ang shuffle ba? October, November, December. Ayan. So, Ace of Coins, Three of Cups, the Hermit, Five of Cups, and Nine of Cups. So, anong unahin natin? Unahin muna natin ang love life. Ay, hindi. Itong Hermit muna. So, you've been single for a very long time. But I think this is for Virgos na naging single ng very long time and um, na medyo napapaisip bakit until now single ka pa rin. Well, actually, the reason is naka-hermit mode ka. Ibig sabihin, hindi ka naman masyadong lumalabas, hindi ka masyadong nakikipag-date, hindi ka gumagamit ng mga dating apps. So, paano ka magiging or paano ka magkakaroon ng karelasyon, right? So, yung para sa inyo, Virgo, parang siyang umiikot sa love life. So, if you want na magkaroon ng karelasyon, then go out. Sabi ng Three of Cups. Go out with your friends. Diba? Go out. Huwag mong isipin ang nangyayari before kasi hindi naman lahat ng tao ay pare-parehas. So, go out with friends, party, date, makipag-date ka kung kanino mo man gusto. Go ahead. Either ante, uncle, same sex or whatever, go for it. Nakipag go out, party, wag kang magdrama that everyone is the same. Magkakaiba ang tao, magkakaiba ang ugali ng mga yan. So, hindi ka masasaktan tulad nung dati. Siguro takot ka lang kasi nasaktan ka nga before, which is, I'm telling you, hindi naman siya always ganon, right? So, try to love again, try to party, try to go out. And, of course, I can see here na most of your card kasi nagpo-focus lang siya more on relationship kasi nga, maybe you're asking bakit single pa rin ako. Kasalanan mo naman. Kasi nga hindi ka lumalabas. And I do have your Ace of Coins which is, paano ako lalabas? Wala nga akong budget. Oh, don't worry, magkaka-budget ka this December. Or somebody will, pwedeng may ibang tao na manlibre sa'yo dito sa party-party na to. And if that happens, try to, makipag-mingle ka sa mga tao-tao. And don't open the topic about the last relationship that you had na hindi siya naging okay. Na hindi nag-work out. So, may sinasabi tayo dito, endings are inevitable. So, hindi kasi talaga, ayun, sorry na po tayo. So, we have gray, endings are inevitable. So, ibig sabihin niya, may mga tao talagang lilipas at lilipas. So, don't stick with them. Let them go, move on. Hindi ka, kasi may gray part talaga ang buhay, which is, may mga nawawala. Pero, huwag kang mag-alala. Kasi nga, meron at merong darating. Sabi nga nila, pag ang isang pintuan ay nagsara, meron at merong pintuan na magbubukas for you. Ayan, this is for our Virgo. And kukuha lang tayo ng isang advice from our Saint Sasa Girl. Yan, magtago ka muna sa cabinet sis. So sabi niya naman dito, but if you are not ready na makipag-mingle at sa tingin mo is sa tingin mo naman is it's that still not time for you. Ito is if bakit ka nagtataka kung why yun yung nasagot natin. And of course, endings are really ending. If you're still not ready, sabi ni Saint, Sasa Girl, if you are not yet ready, tago ka daw muna ulit. Mag-hermit mode ka daw ulit. So, tago ka muna sa cabinet. So yes, that's all for our Virgo, Sun, Moon, and Rising. Thank you. Bye-bye.